Hello! We've discovered that there's a third island, and they're plotting to
Save our whole world from being destroyed.
Oh my god.
I'm in.
Wonderful! We'll have to get a team together.
This is the amazing team I've been working around the clock for.
Are you freaking kidding me?
We're in! Oh my goodness gravy.
I want to see.
No, Chuck.
Oh, ouch. Let me on my face. Move over a little bit.
I think he's challenging us to a breakdance battle? Oh, it's on! Kid kind and bird kind are depending on her. Wow! That was crazy!
Could have all died.
Thanks for saving our lives, Mighty Eagle!
Well, you can always count on.
Hey, Daddy. Just borrowing my sisters for a minute. Huh. Now we really have all your eggs. Yeah, and there's nothing you can do about it, Red. Oink, 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 oink. Laugh it up, piggies, because you're going to be crying in a second when I take your butts and take all your, Uh-oh.
The Angry Birds movie 2.
You guys hear that?
It almost sounds like a.
This is their psychotic leader.
3 umbrellas in one drink? What kind of extravagant lunatic are we dealing with? We need to put aside our differences and work together.
We really need is a hero
We'll have to get a team together.
to save our whole world from being destroyed.
Well, that's disappointing.
Step 1, travel undetected to Eagle Island. This place is crawling with security. But if you guys follow me.
Harvey! All right, guys.
Your plan is to get into the super weapon with that?
We gotta get that key card. Pretend to pee-pee.
I got it!
Step 2, break into the super weapon.
Okay, so how's it looking down there?
Watch and learn. Trust me.
I know what I'm doing!
All right.
Oh no, your feather!
Huh? You hear something?
Okay, guys, let's do this.
Initiating launch sequence!
Step 3.
Please tell me that was the sound of your pants ripping.
I don't wear pants!
None of us wear pants!
Silver, what are you doing? Time for Plan X. Activate the weapon!
Times like these, we need someone who can lead. We need a hero.
Gotcha!
Certainly not least, those adorable hatchlings.
Well, that got dark.
We're all in danger.
We'll have to get a team together.
Let's do this.
Have the tools.
This is Invisispray.
How long does it last for?
Forever.
What? Tina, we're not going to be able to see each other tonight.
The skills
You can always count on me.
to save their world.
We're gonna need a disguise.
Sworn enemies must unite.
What's going on down there?
Wow. Angry Birds 2 coming soon.